All right, so I get the New York Times delivered every day, and they put it out in front of my door. But some days it's not there, okay? Especially on Sunday, because the Sunday New York Times is $6, and someone just takes it, all right? So they deliver it around 6 a.m., and I'm used to waking up at 6 a.m., so I automatically wake up. Sometimes it's not there because it came earlier and someone took it, or it comes late and I sit up and now wait for it. And I thought, there got to be an easier way. And you know, it's a brownstone. It's New York City. You can't run out and install a Ring doorbell, anything like that. So I did a little research online, and I found this driveway alarm. Okay. So the object here is that anything passing by here will send the signal to this with an alarm. So I have this shut off for now, but I think for a minute there, it'll take a minute for it to reset. You see that little blink light tells you that the alarm would have gone off. Now you'll see this white thing here. This is what's called a dim light, because the LED is bright. All right. So in the dead of night, I'm afraid someone will see that and take this, because this is actually outside. So this is how it works. Outside, this sits on my air conditioner facing my door. All right. So when they come in and they drop the paper down, that sets this off. And when that goes off, let me turn this alarm to on. And I have it on low chime, and I'll turn it on. And so when they drop the paper off, I hear that, okay? And there's a louder version of that. And let's see if this had enough time to reset. Okay, and there's also alarm. Let me get my hand on the off switch. You can set it for this. Okay, and there's also, you can just have it light up if you want. Whoop. And then it's on. And did it reset? There, it did reset. Okay, you can have lights. You can just have the lights if you don't want the alarm. So it works really well. And so this is outside the building on the air conditioner. And so it sends a signal through the two big glass doors and through my apartment door. And the apartment door is one of those steel doors. So the signal, company says 1,000 feet for sending the signal, and that it can see a person up to 24 feet. So what I do is I go to bed very late. So I turn this on about 2:30 in the morning, and that way it doesn't get set off a lot. And I have it on the air conditioner facing in toward the door. So people walking by tend not to set it off. And also between 2:30 and 6 a.m., there's not a lot of traffic. The kit is 3 components. You get 2 alarms and the main receiving unit. And we'll check Amazon in a minute to find out what it is now, because it seems to keep going down in price. It's made by 1&1, and it is called the Wireless Driveway Alert Alarm Kit. So for your driveway, you would just put one of those out there, and anybody driving up, if you have a big mansion, you want to know when a car is coming up the driveway, this will alert you up to 1,000 feet. So this has been working out really well for me. That's it. 1 by 1. Number 1 by ONE.